Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen. You're watching Queen Varieties channel. You're highly welcome back to my platform. On today's episode, you will learn how to make fresh cassava plantain fufu recipe. This is absolutely and incredibly delicious, especially when paired with any sauce, soup of your own choice and preference. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Also remember to turn on your bell notifications so that each time I upload any video, you will be one of the first to get instant notifications. Today's video illustration, I'll be using exactly 3 large cassava roots. Also, I will include 2 unripe plantains. You can either choose to increase the plantains or the cassava. It all depends on the color, at the same time the elasticity that you're going for. I'm going to use my knife and divide the cassava into different portions. This is going to enable the peeling process to be very easy. It's not hard to peel your cassava. Once you drive your knife into it, use the tip and then follow the sign and begin to peel. Once the peeling process is completed, I'll begin to divide it into little bite sizes. At the same time, with the help of the knife, I will eliminate the stubborn parts in between the cassava. Just when you have divided it, you will notice that, stubborn rope in between there. Just cut it off and then throw it away, okay? The same thing we are doing to the cassava is what we are going to do to the plantains. Once I'm done cutting them, I'll just throw them into a neat bowl of cold water. This will help to preserve its color. And I also went ahead to include 1 extra plantain just in case you want to know. I've taken my time to prep all the items carefully. Also off camera, I have rinsed it and it is set and ready to go over to the next step and procedure. I have placed a blender on my surface, so here I'm going to introduce the item with a little drop of water to aid the blending process. Please make sure you don't use too much water. I use somewhere about ½ cup of water, and once you're done with that, you're going to pour the batter right into the pot. And please make sure that the outcome of your batter must be very smooth. And once done, I'll use my whisk, combine everything for that uniform texture. Also, once again, I'm showing you the consistency of the batter. It should not be too thick, neither should it be too light. It is extremely very important if you want to have that soft, elastic fufu outcome. I have placed the pot on my heat surface. My cooker settings is between 0 to number 9, and here I am cooking this fufu on number 4 heat. You have to stir consistently just to prevent lumps. For beginners, I have always told you in my fufu recipes the importance of using a whisk, which makes it lump free. 3 to 5 minutes later, you notice that the consistency of the batter have changed entirely. We have something relating to pap-like custard appearance. This is an indication that your fufu is cooking perfectly, so please don't go nowhere. Keep stirring it consistently until the fufu is ready. Notice that it's becoming thicker and thicker, so please just keep up to it. Right now I am almost 8 to 10 minutes into the cooking process, so I'm going to set the whisk off and then introduce a wooden spatula. I will use the wooden spatula to knead and incorporate everything perfectly. So next I'll just sprinkle in a little bit of water, allow it to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes on the lowest heat. After 3 to 5 minutes, I came back to stir once again. Now notice that the fufu has even consistency, appearance and look. This is an indication that we have now arrived to the final cooking time. So the cooking time should take somewhere between 15-18 minutes to 20 minutes to be ready. And guys, our fufu is perfectly elastic and ready. So as always, I'm going to use a cling film to serve. Also use the gray foil for healthier purpose. Alright folks, so that's it for today's recipe. I hope you have enjoyed it. Here I'll be drawing the curtain for today's recipe. Guys, this fufu, oh my goodness, it was absolutely delicious. In fact, it was just hitting the right spot. You know, it was navigating straight to the spot that it was required. Okay, so you can pair this with any soup of your choice, egusi soup, okra soup, or whatsoever. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Also remember, variety is the spice of life. Share my video, like, and also support your girl. Thank you guys. God bless you. Bye until next time.